Hey cooks, today we're going to do our first steaming in the Buydeem Electric Steamer. This steamer is really cool because it's multi-level, and has these stewing pots. We're going to be using the stewing pots as well. Today we're going to be steaming some sausage, some corn on the cob, and some potatoes. We're just going to have a big old steam fest here. So join me. Let's try out this Buydeem steamer. Let's see what it can do. So today we're going to be using the Buydeem steamer. Now we did an unboxing of this steamer. I'll put links up here and in the description. I've used steamers before. I had one years ago and I loved it. And I don't know why I just stopped using it. And I've wanted another one. And when I saw this one, I was like, this is pretty awesome because this is not like my ordinary steamer like the one I had before. This baby is double-decker. So how this works is, it even has a little plate inside. It has little flappers here if you want to add water during the cook. So how this works is, so you're going to put the water in here and it's going to heat the water in the middle of this little ring here. There's a maximum and minimum line here, so you want to make sure for steaming that you're always above the minimum. If you use the stew pots, you want to make sure you're above the minimum for the stew pots. So you put this in here. It does have this set of stew pots, so we're going to be using this on the next video. We're going to be doing 2 kinds of rice in this. This is pretty cool, huh? So we're going to put our water in here. You're going to put this little ring in here. You're going to put this collector in here. The steam's going to come out of here, and the drip is going to go in here. And here's a steam tray. So you can do it as a single level steamer. But what's great about this steamer is it's double decker. So we can have another level of food in here with this on the top. It also comes with a tray. I believe you can put the tray in here if you want to steam on the tray. So if you have something that would go through the holes, you just want to put the tray in there. So I just want to thank Buydeem for sending this. I'll put links to this down in the description. I'm excited to try to use this. It has little flappers here, so you don't have to open this whole thing up to add more water. It has a little thing here with common foods and the times. It also has here it'll tell you the water level. So if the water level starts to get by this minimum, you can just open the little flapper and put some more water in here. So this thing is really neat. So we're going to be steaming some sausage, some potatoes, and some corn on the cob. So let me go wash all these pieces, get our ingredients, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have everything washed, and I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with some water up until close to the max line. So here's our max line, so I'm pretty close to it. And now we're going to assemble this. We're going to put this here, and we're going to put this on here. Now we're going to put our first level. And on the first level, I'm going to put our corn on the cob. Yum. And we have a couple potatoes here. I have 3 potatoes. So we're going to be having a potato and a half a piece. We're going to put this centerpiece on here. Then we're going to go ahead and put this here. Okay, so I put the first level of the steamer on there. So this is our sausage. We're going to be putting this on the top level. I'm going to throw this in the refrigerator because we're going to be cooking this for about 40 minutes to get those potatoes tender. I don't want to put the sausage in there because I'll blow it up, right? The sausage needs to go in about halfway through the cook. So we're going to go ahead and put this on here when we're going to program the time. About halfway through, we're going to put the sausage on. So it defaults to steam, and we can put some time on here. I think this is going to take like a half hour, but I'm going to put like 40 minutes. So it's been going about 20 minutes, and I'm going to put the sausage on now. Ooh, it's nice and steamy. We're going to let the sausage go about 15-20 minutes until it's done. And when that happens, we'll be back. Okay, so this is steam, and when it opens up, the steam comes out. So just make sure you're using mitts, you got tongs, you got all that fun stuff, just so you don't burn yourself. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, we have steamed sausage, and we have a little corn and steamed potatoes. That looks amazing. So I'm going to move the steamer over to this side so we can plate up this deliciousness. Now, one great thing about steaming is it's not like, you're boiling something. So you're just boiling out all the nutrition, right? Steaming is great because it's very nutritious. Everything is locked in there and looking really good. So we have our plates here. Okay, so we're just going to be eating, like each one of us is going to eat half one of these. So I'm just going to cut that in half. And we're going to do that. That's enough for us. And we have a little tater action. And we're going to have a little this. And I made sort of like 2 potatoes so we could just have a potato and a half each. So there we go with that. We each have a corn on the cob. This is a really good dinner. So we have dinner done all at once together, all in one steamer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these little, I always call these corn huskers. They're not corn huskers. I don't know what they're called. Corn spikes. So we're going to spike that corn. We're going to give us a little tater action here. Woo! And we have a little tater action going on over here. This is a fast dinner. Not pretty, but pretty delicious, right? And right here, we're going to give this some butter. A lot of butter. Yum. Some salt. Fresh, correct black pepper. And through the magic of the butter, we're going to give our corn a little roll on this butter here. I love corn on the cob. It is one of my favorite vegetables. Whoops, I'm making a mess here. I made a mess. Salt. Whoops. Pepper. Salt. Pepper. You don't need much more than salt and pepper on this. You can put whatever kind of seasonings. Barbecue rub would be really good. In fact, there you go. That's how we do it. Over here at Amy Learns to Cook. So this sausage is going in the refrigerator. and this is going in our tums. So Eric, you want to taste? Cheers, Boo. You have a steamed dinner. Try the sausage.
Sausage, yay, huh? That's tasty.
Perfectly cooked.
It's tasty.
It's really good to put it in halfway through.
Potato.
Potato. Delicious.
Oops. That didn't go well.
Corn.
Uh-oh. The Boo eating Olympics. She got to the corn category before I did.
The corn category?
All right. I think you did go the
Corn on the cob is summer. So Cooks, happy steaming. This is a great way to keep that nutrition in there without boiling it all out into your boiling liquid. It makes it easy. You just put the stuff in there and walk away, right? And it makes for a fantastic dinner. The Buydeem steamer did a great job. Hold on, because we're going to be making rice in those 2 little stew pots that go to that to see how that works. I've never seen a steamer with anything like that. And I think this is a great little steamer. Double steamer with stew pots. I think it's awesome. Thank you, Buydeem. I really appreciate it. Links for that steamer will be down in the description. Steam yourself some dinner tonight. You're going to really enjoy this. If you like this video, please subscribe below and join the Amy Learns to Cook family, where we are on a journey to become better cooks. Also, hit that bell so you're notified of our uploads. You can catch us out on social media at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. That is my fabulous Facebook group. Shout out to everybody in my group. We have a fantastic time in that group all day long. I love seeing what you're making. You can catch me on my website, amylearnstocook.com, for all my recipes. You can get me at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And also on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Enjoy steaming. It's delicious.